Today's like almost over.
Yeah, I know.
Boom,
Are you
boom,
gonna
boom.
watch the movie at 6 o'clock?
Is it here?
Here in the big room.
Oh man, well I'm supposed to do this contest, this New York strip contest at the house.
Oh, really?
So I think I gotta go.
They have the movie in the speaker's cabin.
Yeah.
They're gonna watch it there at 9 o'clock.
They're gonna watch it? Okay, so I'll see it there then.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
All right, Veronika, welcome to Bootlegger Chophouse.
Thank you.
We're here, Meat Stock 2026. What brings you here?
What brought me here, to be honest, my Aussie friends who come here and speak here convinced me to come because I was already in the United States and I am passionate about the carnivore community. They said you should come with your product, so I did.
And here we go. So tell us a little bit about your product right here.
Okay, so this product specifically is made from grass-fed, grass-finished, regeneratively-farmed Australian beef.
There we go.
We don't use any artificial additives. We have a version for specifically for carnivore people that has only meat, salt, and tiniest bit of apple cider vinegar for preservation, and it's the most delicious snack.
It is good. So I had some. I'm loving it. What got you into this line of work?
I am an exercise physiologist and nutritionist by trade, and I'm also an athlete, and I do lots of, I used to do when I started the business, ultramarathons, lots of trail running, lots of adventures, and I was doing a specific adventure that was 10 days in a jungle, and you can't take any food that's perishable, so you can't take steak and eggs with you.
Right.
You have to bring all your own food, and I didn't know what to bring because back then in Australia, all the packaged snacks were highly processed, all the jerkies have, and they still have now, even in America, lots of marinades, sugar added, chemicals added, dextrose and all those things. So I just couldn't find anything that I would take with me, so I decided to start a company and make my own with two other friends.
Fantastic. And you talked about a recent expansion into the U.S.?
Yes, we just launched in the US this year, and that's why I'm here running around promoting the business.
Beautiful. Well, I know that you also said that you spent some time in Miami as well.
Yes.
So when you're in Miami, is that work or play?
Well, it's work because Miami has become a hub of wellness and health in America, it seems. They even applied for the Blue Zone certification. And as a result, there's a lot of happening in the world of wellness. There's some kind of wellness events every day, wellness business networking, lots of different running groups. They have like 1,000 people in each running session. So it's like a perfect ground for promoting my business amongst the audience that is perceptive to healthy products.
Perfect. Do you find that adults are more of your consumer, or are parents buying this as a healthy snack for their kids as well?
Well, I can't say in America yet because it's too fresh, but in Australia, the biggest buyers are mums.
Yeah.
And they buy it for their kids and for their husbands as well. Kids love that product because it's small pieces of meat and they can chew it, so kids really love it. We also have beef sticks in Australia and they're coming to America, which kids also love. They also love our collagen powder. We've got our best-selling product that outsells everything. It's a chocolate collagen powder. It tastes like Nesquik, apparently. But it's sugar-free, it's sweetened with monk fruit, and it's made with Australian grass-fed collagen that's also tested for glyphosate and heavy metals, which is a big topic in America and in Australia because a lot of foods and a lot of protein powders, collagen powders, and processed foods are full of glyphosate, and it's really bad, especially for children. So moms buy our collagen powder to give it to kids as a hot chocolate.
Love it. Love it. So what is your favorite flavor? I know we had steakhouse, we had lemon pepper. I think there was one more.
The carnivore, that's my
carnivore,
favorite.
that's
it's
your
just
favorite?
meat and salt. I just love steak. Even when I cook steak at home, I only put salt on it. I could cook it in tallow and just put salt on it. I'd never use any spices on meat.
What's your favorite steak when you're cooking at home?
I like Scotch fillet
Scotch fillet.
that's easy to cook at home. Like if I go to a restaurant, I get like a big tomahawk and one with the bone. But at home, Scotch fillet is just easy and quick.
And for our American friends out here, a Scotch fillet is a ribeye?
Ribeye, yeah.
There we go. Very
Ribeye,
good.
yeah.
Nice. How are you cooking it at home? Like, what's your favorite way to cook it when you're at home?
Very simple. I just cook it on a pan. I like it almost rare, medium rare to rare. So I just put it on a pan for a little bit, let it sit and eat it.
There we go. We did you a little bit of a bootlegger ribeye. How was that?
That was delicious. That was some of the best steak I've ever had. That was really, really good. And I can't believe you cook it with nothing.
Nothing.
Like you didn't use tallow or butter or nothing.
Nope, that was all in there. We're quite lucky and we're quite privileged. That steak changed my life.
Yeah.
And now I'm happy to share it with the
Amazing.
world.
Well, I'm gonna order it when I'm in Miami.
Well, there we
good.
go.
And
Would
have
love
a
to do
big
that.
Steak dinner with my friends and show. You have to tell me how to cook it. Like, do you have a special pan or what is the pan?
Well, it's funny. So this one is travel. There's different ways that I cook it, and I always want to cook, and I'll cook wherever. That's kind of my angle. Wherever
Okay.
we are, I'm going to be able to cook you a
Yeah.
steak. In this case, we just have a battery, and I have not a hot plate where the utensil is cooking it, but it heats things up, and you have to have a metal pan. Cast iron will not work. It has to be a particular type of metal,
Okay.
and it heats up in maybe 30 seconds. So you saw this going pretty quick.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Amazing.
it's all good. It's all
Love
good.
it. It was delicious.
What is your next event going to be?
Next event is the Beyond Biohacking by Dave Asprey in Austin.
Austin.
That's at the end of the month.
Austin's a pretty
Yeah.
hot town for this whole
It is,
biohacking
yeah,
thing.
everything. And the biohacking crowd is really our crowd in America. You know, as I said, in Australia, it's the mums.
Yeah.
It seems that in America so far, the biohackers, they just love it because it's got no seed oils, no artificial additives. It's made from Australian beef, which is highly regarded in the world. Doesn't have any, like the sweet products don't have any sugar, alcohols, nothing like that. No sweeteners, no sucralose. So the biohacking crowd really loves it.
Well, that's it. So you got all the right stuff in it, and you make sure that you don't have any of the bad stuff.
No.
You keep it out of it.
Yes.
Very good. Are there any new products on the horizon? What's
Yes,
next?
so in America, we bring in all of our Australian products. They're not here yet. So we bring in the beef sticks. We have very pure, very good quality creatine. And then we've got a whole encapsulated range of products that are made from organ meats, organic organ meats.
Yeah, that's getting
with
big
different
here.
herbs. So we have a replacement for every different type of supplement, for your iron supplement, multivitamin, perimenopause, menopause, for prenatal. We have all these synthetic supplements. You can throw them away and you can replace them with our natural supplements that are just made from therapeutic herbs and organ meats.
There we go. Love that. Do you buy it all as a particular set or one by one?
You can buy it one by one, but we also have bundles on our website, so you can choose. You can choose a bundle or you can buy it separately.
Love it. Nice.
Yeah.
Tell us where can we buy your product and where can we find you?
Okay, so you can find our product on us.wearechief.com.
Yep.
And if you use code VEEUSA, you get 20% off. You can also find us on Amazon, but you don't get any discount. And our Instagram is chief.nutrition.
There we go. I love it.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
You bet.
Thanks.
Beautiful. Nice.
Great, guys. Thank you. And do you have an actual podcast, or do you just recording for...
We're going to put them on YouTube.
Ah,